I Can Handle It by Lori Wright, illustrated by Ann Santos. My name is Sebastian. I can handle anything. I'm sad when my best friend is mad at me. I can handle it though. I can give him a hug. I can try to make him laugh. I can draw a picture. I can handle it. I'm frustrated when adults don't listen. Can I handle it? I can say, excuse me. I can write a letter. I can tell someone else. I can handle it. I'm mad when my sister won't stop bugging me, but I think I can handle it. I can ask her to stop. I can move away from her. I can make it a joke and laugh. I can handle it. I'm annoyed when I can't find my shoes. Can I handle it? I can send out a search party. I can take out an ad in the paper. I guess I can wear another pair. I can handle it. I'm disappointed when I want a pet, but I'm not allowed to have one. I can handle this one, I think. I can pretend my sister's a pet. I can make one. I can play with my friend's pet in exchange for him playing with my sister. I can handle it. I feel ashamed when I do something wrong. Can I handle it? I can draw an I'm sorry picture. I can do chores without being asked, even once. I can go to my room and stay until I'm 80. I can handle it. I'm so upset when I have to leave the pool, but I can handle it. I can ask nicely if we can come back next week. I can save up my money to buy my own pool. I can ask to take swimming lessons. I can handle it. I feel discouraged when my words don't come out right, but I can handle it. I can ask a friend to help me. I can draw a picture instead of explaining. I can sleep on it and come up with the right thing to say. I can handle it. I'm cranky when I'm not allowed to watch TV. I can handle it though. I can make my own TV and watch that. I can act out my favorite TV show. I can put on a puppet show for others to watch. I can handle it. I'm miserable when it's bedtime, but I can handle that. How can I handle that? I guess I could cry myself to sleep. I could lie in bed and think about all the things I could do tomorrow. I could count hedgehogs. I can handle it. Sometimes I feel sad, frustrated, mad, annoyed, disappointed, ashamed, upset, discouraged, cranky, or miserable, but I can handle it. I can handle anything.